How to fix Windows Update error 0xC80003FA. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check the services. Locate Windows Update service. If it is already running, right-click and select Restart. If the service is not running, double-click it to open Properties. Under the Startup type, select Automatic from the drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Bits, Cryptographic Service, and Windows Installer Service, and repeat the process. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.